Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me.
Guys, what's up you guys? It's your girl Tamara G. We are back with another video, and if you guys read about the title, today we are working with Ashimary hair, and I already got the robe on. It's so freaking cute. I always love the little silk robes that they send. If you guys seen the thumbnail, we are getting into this unit. This is a throw on unit and go. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I tried this unit on yesterday and it looked like I had it installed. Here's a picture right here. I'm not even playing around. I'm not even joking. This was yesterday. I put it on just to see what it was looking like because I'm literally about to go tubing. So I wanted to see what hairstyle I wanted to wear, and y'all, this is what it looked like on my head. Like, I called my friend. My friend thought I already installed my wig when I was just trying it on. Like, what? So, but I mean, I should have expected that because Ashimary is so good. Like, y'all know I've been reviewing their units for a while now, and they always have some good units, and they always figure out ways to make them better every time. This is the box right here. This is Ashimary. Then you also get a goodie bag full of stuff. You have your wig cap, you have some lashes, you have your elastic band, and I really love this elastic band because it has the ears on it. I think this was my first time getting a unit like this with elastic band with the ears because that do hurt my ears, so I'm glad they gave me one. And then you get a little edge toothbrush. I also have some bobby pins, which is very cute. They never sent me no bobby pins. You get a pack of lashes, your little card, and then your wig cap. So that's all you get. And then it also came with these cute little butterfly clips right here. These are so freaking cute. Let's get into it. Let's just get into it. Like, come on. Do it. Like, come on. Like, please, 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 please. Like, y'all see how thin that lace is? Like, come on. And then the unit is very, very long and straight and cute. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw this on. All right. Like I said before, do y'all see this? Like, come on. Uh-oh, don't want to pull. Okay, yeah. This is so freaking cute. Like, come on. I could easily put some spray on this, but I only want to put glue on it because if the water does hit, I do not want this to slide off if water hits it. My sticky little secrets. And then I also use their glue too. And I have to do it like this because I broke it. So, Skin Protect, put that on. So, just put the layers on. And y'all notice how it's right here on my forehead. It's not on my edges at all. This is definitely on my forehead. Don't want it to go anywhere. So. So I'm gonna just take some Got To Be gel and just put it all over where I'm doing them at.
Mama used to be ability, and now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, I couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't.
I've had this sitting for a little minute now. Okay, cool. Okay, I was scared that it was gonna look crazy, but it doesn't, and I'm happy now. Cool. Okay. Everything looks exactly how I need it to look, but I just want to make sure that all of this gets straightened towards the front. So I'm gonna try to back this, or I back up so y'all can really see, because this hair is really long. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Period. All right, y'all, so let me show y'all the hair right now, how it looks. It looks so freaking cute. Like, I'm about to go tubing, period, and this is so cute. Yeah, okay. But I do want to show y'all how the hair looks after tubing, so hopefully I don't mess it up. I don't know if I straightened it good enough. I'm gonna still go over it a little bit of times with the straightener, but I do want to give y'all an update of how everything looks after I go tubing and stay in a hot sun in the water. So I will check back in with y'all later on.